Hello?
Hi, Vicky.
Are you there yet?
Yes.
I just got off the subway. I'm almost there. Sorry I'm late.
That's no problem. I just wanted to tell you I'm inside.
Where are you?
On the second floor.
Should I come to the second floor, or do you want to come down to the first floor?
Come upstairs.
What?
Oh, can you hear me okay? I said, come to the second floor.
Oh, okay, what are you doing there?
Just looking at books on how to learn English.
Do you want to get something to eat later?
No, I'm still full from dinner.
What do you want to do?
I don't know for sure. When you get here, we'll talk about it.
Okay, see you soon.
Bye.
Craig, what do you do for work?
I'm still a student.
What school do you go to?
Boston University.
That's a good school. What do you study?
I'm studying English, math, and history. My major is English.
How long have you been studying English?
More than 6 years.
That's a long time.
Yeah, I started to learn English when I was in high school.
No wonder your English is so good.
Actually, it's not that good. I can read, but I can't speak very well. I haven't had a lot of chance to practice.
I see. Talking with other people is very important.
Yes, but I still don't have many friends here yet.
I'm having a party tonight at my apartment. You should come.
Oh, thanks for inviting me. I'd love to come. Hey Jane, did you get the mail yet?
Yes. I picked it up this morning. There were a few bills and a letter from my mother. There was also a lot of junk mail.
Was there anything for me?
I don't remember. Let me check. Yes, it looks like there is something here for you.
Who's it from?
The American Embassy.
My hands are dirty. Will you open it for me?
Sure.
What does it say?
It says your passport is ready. You can pick it up anytime.
Do you think you can drive me there?
Sure. When?
I think we should go get it now. I'm going to wash my hands and then we'll go. Is that okay?
How are you feeling?
I still have a cold.
Still. It's been over a week now, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's been a while. Started feeling this way last Monday.
Are you feeling any better?
A little. I took some medicine this morning and I feel a little better now.
What's wrong?
I have a bad cough.
Did you go see the doctor yet?
Not yet. I might go tomorrow.
I'm going to the drugstore now. Can I get you anything?
Yes, if it's not too much trouble. Would you get me some tissue?
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay, I'll be back in about an hour. If you think of anything else, give me a call.
Thanks.